In this video, you're going to see about Canva, what's new in it on May 2021, and let's go and see what are the things available for you. If you are new to our channel, like and share the video and subscribe and press the bell icon to get videos like this. Let's get into the video. First thing is startup business kit. Now you can search through startup business kit and get through these 280 templates where all categories has been covered, and you can see the template for business proposal, financial report, and other invoices also available to start up your business kit. So you can, if you are a small business, if you like to have a template and showcase to your client or other purposes, you can able to come to this template and edit it and put your logo and put your checklist and put down your points and then supply this to your client and other things. So you can go and first search for startup business skill and you see the templates available for you. The next thing is which is company presentation. Now you can create a blank company presentation from this, and there are 120 pre-made templates available for you to supply within your company or within your circle. You can able to edit these templates and create your own from scratch by using these templates. Now go and search for company presentation in Canva and get to these templates available for you to showcase to your designer. The next thing is available is animated social media. Now you can create a blank animated social media from this option, and there are pre-made 199 templates available. Search through animated social media in the search available for Canva, and there are three types of animation is available here. Let's go and explore what are the types available now. Let's have the design here. There are animation for text. If you click there and then go for animate here and see option for page animation, text animation. If the page animation is for page, this entire thing will be animated. For the text animation, the selected text will be animated. So if you scroll through what are the text animation is available, will be available. There are also pro version. If you are a pro subscriber, you can update with other available animation from here also. Likewise, if you animate this cloud, you go and click that element, and that is known as the element animation available. Now you can also apply this. If you scroll through, you can see what are the other animation available, and the sample will be showcased to you. Animation like none, breathe, fade, also paid animation. If you are a pro subscription, you can able to apply this animation also, but you can able to check how it looks from here. Like if I scroll through this storm, it will be applied to it, but only pro user can able to apply it, but you can able to see the sample here. Likewise, you can also do page animation here, like what are the option like tumble, fade, and other option will be available for the page animation from this animate option. Likewise, you can able to animate your design to showcase your design to your user. The next option which is available for you is Canva space, where Canva doing events, live events, and you can able to enroll further and go for learn more, and you start for free option available here. And you can able to go to this URL designschool.canva.com/events, and you can see what are the events available for you to learn from Canva end, and also the recording for the past events also available here. Please check out and learn from the what are the new design trends and other option can be provided from the Canva end to you, and learn from this design school of Canva. You can also learn, if you scroll through, you can see the courses, tutorials, and blog from Canva end, and you can able to upskill yourself from this also. The next thing is it's album cover. You can able to now create album cover from Canva, create a blank album cover, and you can insert your audio from the audio option available in Canva, and you can see the templates available for you creation of album cover. 104 templates available, and you can also create your own template from here. Add effects to your photos. Let ungroup it, and then check this click these photos and go to the effect, and see option where you can able to enhance your photos by using photogenic, and go and see all and what are the effect you can able to apply for your photos will be available here, like warm, cool, and vivid, and soft, vintage also available here. If you can able to apply this effect and see how your design look enhanced by this effects. You can also add filter, adjust and crop and flip your image here. The filter also look you need to update the coloring and other option, but here this photogenic app is you can able to update the effect here. See how it has been changed. Now you can apply, and you can showcase your design to your user and client. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and like and share this video. Thanks.